Bambinoshire? What are you up to? Oh, you're giving nice little kisses, I think, because you're like a little darling. Give a kiss, kiss, kiss. Give a kiss, give a kiss. It's not a nest, silly. Well, you're just a little darling angel. What are you? Oh, look at you, little fancy face. Give a kiss. Say, kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Mama Johnny, Mama Johnny, Mama Johnny. Oh, are you preening? Do you think it's a bird? Preening your little birdie friend? You're cleaning the little birdie? Are you precious? Are you precious? Are you precious? Are you a precious little darling? You are so cute.
Thank you for the likes and subscribe, and also to Luke Diamond Show. And I am Luke Diamond.
It's a little bit of a longer video, but that's okay. You're going to go to sleep very soon in a few minutes because you're a little baby angel. Give a kiss. Say, goodbye, YouTube, for now. You want to do a close-up? Can we do a close-up of your sweet little face? Come. Oh, what are you doing? Preening. You're preening. Think it's another birdie? Are you preening his feathers? Oh, baby, you're so pretty. You're a busy birdie. You never stop. Oh, are you preening your foot? Oh, give kiss. Oh, kiss ears. Oh, kiss, kiss. Say, until next time. Say goodbye, everyone. Say goodbye, everyone. Have a good weekend.